to fix TikTok can't post long video. So to fix TikTok's can't post long video issue, you can start by changing the uploading method, because TikTok currently allows you to upload videos that are up to 10 minutes long, but recording inside the app directly can restrict you to a shorter time limit. So what you can do is open your TikTok app, then tap the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Now tap here at the bottom left corner of your screen to open your phone's gallery. Now select videos from your phone's gallery, then tap next, input your caption, then follow the on-screen prompts and then post it. Now the next thing what you can do is check file length and format. You can just simply trim a second or two off the beginning or end of a video before exporting. Export your video at 1080p resolution with a frame rate of 30 fps or 60 fps. Now the next thing what you can do is update the app. Just go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find TikTok, and if you see an update option available here, just tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.